Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. This is your host, Liba, and I'm so happy that you are here today. I hope you're doing well and feeling good. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic: 5 reasons why English can change your life. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you sometimes feel that English is difficult? Do you feel shy or nervous when you try to speak English? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. Learning English can feel hard in the beginning, but the good news is it can truly change your life. English is not just a language, it is a tool. It helps you learn new things, meet new people, and grow in your life. When you understand English, you can open many new doors for yourself. In today's episode, I will share 5 simple and powerful reasons why learning English is so important and how it can make your life better. And don't worry, I will use very simple words and easy sentences so you can understand everything clearly. So, stay with me till the end because this episode can really motivate you to start or continue your English learning journey. Let's begin. Now let's talk about the first reason why English can change your life. Reason number 1. English helps you get better opportunities. In today's world, English is very important for jobs and education. Many companies prefer people who can understand and speak English. Even if the job is in your own country, English can give you an advantage. For example, imagine 2 people applying for the same job. One person knows English and the other person does not. Who do you think has a better chance? Of course, the person who knows English. English can also help you find jobs online. Today, many people work from home. They do freelancing, online business, or remote jobs. Most of these jobs need basic English skills. If you understand English, you can earn money from international clients. Not only jobs, but English also helps in education. Many good universities and courses are in English. If you know English, you can study from top universities, watch online lectures, and read useful books. Let's take a simple example. If you want to learn a new skill like graphic design, programming, or marketing, most of the best courses are in English. So, when you know English, you can learn faster and better. English opens doors for you. It gives you more choices and more chances in life. So remember, learning English is not just about speaking, it is about creating a better future for yourself. That's why English is so powerful. Now let's move to the next reason. Now, let's talk about the second reason why English can change your life. Reason number 2. English connects you to the world. English is a global language. People from many different countries use English to communicate with each other. Even if they have different native languages, they use English as a common language. When you learn English, you can talk to people from all around the world. You can make new friends, share your ideas, and learn about different cultures. For example, on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, people from different countries communicate in English. If you understand English, you can join conversations, comment, and express your thoughts. English also helps you when you travel. Imagine you visit another country. You may not know their language, but many people understand basic English. So you can ask for help, order food, or find directions easily. Another important point is confidence. When you can speak English, you feel more confident while talking to others. You don't feel shy or afraid. You feel comfortable and proud. Let's take a simple situation. Imagine you meet someone from another country. If you know English, you can start a conversation, introduce yourself, and build a connection. This is a very powerful feeling. English makes the world smaller. It helps you connect, communicate, and understand people from different backgrounds. So, learning English is not just about language, it is about building connections with the world. Now, let's move to the next reason. Now, let's talk about the third reason why English can change your life. Reason number 3. English improves your learning. English is the language of knowledge. Most of the information in the world is available in English. Books, websites, online courses, and videos. Many of them are in English. When you understand English, you can learn anything you want. For example, if you go to YouTube and search for a topic, you will find thousands of videos in English. These videos can teach you skills like cooking, technology, business, or even personal development. The same is true for books. Many of the best books in the world are written in English. When you can read English, you don't have to wait for translations. You can learn directly from the original content. English also helps you study better. Many schools, colleges, and universities use English in their courses. If your English is strong, you can understand your lessons more easily and perform better in exams. Let's take a simple example. If you want to learn computer skills, most tutorials and guides are in English. So if you know English, you can learn faster and more clearly. English gives you access to unlimited knowledge. It helps you grow your mind and improve your skills. So remember, when you learn English, you are not just learning a language, you are opening the door to learning everything. Now let's move to the next reason. Now let's talk about the fourth reason why English can change your life. Reason number 4, English builds your confidence. Many people feel shy or afraid when they try to speak English. They worry about making mistakes. They think, what if people laugh at me? But this fear is normal. Everyone feels this in the beginning. The good news is, when you start practicing English, your confidence slowly grows. When you speak even a few simple sentences, you feel proud of yourself. Step by step, you become more comfortable. You stop worrying about mistakes, and you start enjoying the process. English helps you speak in front of others. It helps you share your ideas clearly. Whether it is in a classroom, a meeting, or even a casual conversation, you feel more confident. Let's imagine a simple situation. You are in a group, and people are talking in English. If you understand and speak English, you can join the conversation. You don't feel left out. You feel included and confident. Also, confidence in English can improve other areas of your life. You start believing in yourself more. You become more open, more active, and more positive. Remember, confidence does not come in one day. It comes with practice. Every small effort you make in English builds your confidence. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the stronger and more confident you become. Now let's move to the final reason. Now let's talk about the fifth and final reason why English can change your life. Reason number 5, English helps you grow personally. Learning English is not just about speaking or understanding words. It also helps you become a better person. When you learn English, you are also learning new ideas. You are exploring different cultures, different ways of thinking, and different lifestyles. This makes your mind more open and flexible. For example, when you watch English videos or read English books, you learn how people in other countries think and live. This helps you understand the world better. English also improves your thinking skills. When you learn a new language, your brain becomes stronger. You start thinking in new ways. You become better at solving problems and expressing your ideas. Another important point is self-growth. When you learn English, you challenge yourself. You step out of your comfort zone. This builds discipline and patience. Let's take a simple example. When you practice English every day, even for a few minutes, you are building a good habit. This habit can help you improve not only your language, but also your daily life. English also helps you become more independent. You don't always need help from others. You can search, learn, and understand things by yourself. So remember, English is not just a subject. It is a way to grow, improve, and become a better version of yourself. Now, before we end, let's look at some simple tips to improve your English every day. Now, let's talk about some simple and practical tips that can help you improve your English every day. Don't worry, you don't need a lot of time or money. Just small daily efforts can make a big difference. Tip number 1, practice speaking every day. Try to speak English daily, even if it is just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself, describe your day, or speak in front of a mirror. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Tip number 2, listen to English daily. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, or hear simple English conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your brain will slowly start understanding more. Tip number 3, learn new words every day. Try to learn 3 to 5 new words daily. Write them down and use them in sentences. This will help you remember them better. Tip number 4, don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning. Don't stop yourself from speaking just because you are afraid. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. Tip number 5, stay consistent. Consistency is the key. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily practice is better than studying for hours one day and then stopping for a week. Let's take a simple routine. You can listen to English for 10 minutes, learn 5 new words, and speak for 5 minutes. This small routine can really improve your English over time. Remember, learning English is a journey. Go step by step and don't rush. Be patient with yourself. If you follow these simple tips every day, you will see real improvement. Now let's come to the final part of today's episode. And now we have come to the end of today's episode. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We talked about 5 powerful reasons why English can change your life. First, English helps you get better opportunities. Second, it connects you to the world. Third, it improves your learning. Fourth, it builds your confidence. And fifth, it helps you grow personally. As you can see, English is more than just a language. It is a powerful tool that can improve your future, your skills, and your life. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start with small steps. Practice every day. Believe in yourself. And most importantly, don't give up. Even if you learn one new word today, that is progress. Your journey may be slow, but it is still moving forward. So make a promise to yourself today. Start learning English and stay consistent. I believe in you, and I know you can do it. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. I hope it helped you and gave you motivation. This is your host, Liba, signing off. And thanks for watching Talk Smart English. 3 don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Take care, keep learning, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.